And while Bareilly in Uttar Pradesh has been in the spotlight for 2 weeks, Lucknow is literally in a blue spotlight. On the 25th anniversary of the BSP party chief and UP Chief Minister Mayawati has organized a rally like no other with 200 crores spent, 25 lakh people expected and 10,000 policemen on duty.
The stage is set for what's said to be the biggest political rally that Lucknow has ever seen. For the last 1 week, workers have been busy painting the city blue, a tribute to the Bahujan Samaj Party celebrating its 25th anniversary. Mayawati can smile. She is Chief Minister for the 4th term with a thumping 2/3 majority seen for the first time in 20 years in Uttar Pradesh. Having spent crores in erecting statues of various Dalit icons, there couldn't be a better time to welcome the Dalits from across the country and inch closer to achieving the dreams of the man who founded this party.
लखनऊ मुझे नीला ही नीला नजर आया है। अब सिर्फ उत्तर प्रदेश को नहीं, पंजाब को भी मुझे नीला ही नीला करना है। और चंद सालों में हमें पूरे देश में बहुजन की हुकूमत बनाना है।
But then the BSP faces fresh challenges. Bareilly is under curfew for 2 weeks now. The arrest and release of a Muslim leader there by Mayawati's government has been criticized. Its primary concerns seem to be distancing Muslims there from the Congress. That's seen as a threat, especially since the Lok Sabha elections where it showed a clear resurgence. By not allowing any of the opposition leaders to reach Bareilly, the BSP appears keen to stop both the Congress and the BJP from consolidating their respective votes there.
Well, certainly after the election, she started organizing conferences with the minority leaders, especially the ulamas. She's trying to crush every movement in UP so that the voice does not resound and the impression goes that everything is fine in UP.
Wooing Muslims is especially important since the social engineering, the Brahmin-Dalit combine that brought her to power in 2007 needs a relook after it failed to pave her way to the power chambers of Delhi. And so, back in Lucknow, no expense has been spared to welcome the nearly 25 lakh people expected for the rally. The opposition claims the taxpayers' money is being misused.
कम से कम 1,000 करोड़ रुपया खजाने का खर्च हुआ।
सरकारी पैसा
कम से कम
कल की महारानी पर।
From spending several thousand crores on her statues to her prime ministerial dreams, Mayawati has always thought big. And this rally, at an unprecedented scale, is an example of her might and power and also a sign of what the future of the party holds if she continues to stay in power. In Lucknow, with camera person RC Joshi, Kashish for NDTV.
Tuba.com